What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to solve rational equations. First example, I have x plus 2 over x minus 2 equals to 0. So we need to solve it algebraically. So since this rational function has to be equal to 0, it means that the numerator has to be equal to 0. So x plus 2 has to be 0, therefore x equals to negative 2. Next one, when we have x plus 1 over x minus 2 equals to 0, again you're going to say x plus 1 has to be 0, therefore the answer is going to be x equals to negative 1. If you have x plus 4 over x minus 1 equals to 2, for example, how do you solve it? In this example, I'm going to do cross multiplication. I'm going to make it like that, 2 over 1. Cross multiplying 1 times x plus 4, 2 times x minus 1. So you have x plus 4, 2x minus 2. So you have 2x minus x, 4 plus 2, 6, x equals to 6. This is the answer. Next one. X plus 5 over x plus 1 equals to 2x minus 1. So in this case, I'm going to say x plus 5 over x plus 1 equals to 2x minus 1 over 1. Then I cross multiply it. X plus 5 times 1 is going to be x plus 5. 2x minus 1 times x plus 1. That's going to be 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x minus 1. So that's going to be 2x squared plus x minus 1. We move everything to one side. 2x squared plus x minus 1 minus x minus 5 equals to 0. Therefore, we can say 2x squared, these two cancels out, minus 6 equals to 0. Therefore, 2x squared equals to 6. Which means that x squared equals to 6 over 2, which is 3. So x is going to be positive minus root 3. Next example. X plus 4 over x minus 1 equals to 2x plus 1. Again, cross multiply x plus 4 over x minus 1 equals to 2x plus 1 over 1. Cross multiply x plus 4, x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. X plus 4 equals to x times 2x, 2x squared, x times 1x, negative 2x, negative 1. So if we move everything to one side, so it's going to be 2x squared plus x minus 2x minus 1 minus x minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, it's going to be 2x squared. Here we have negative 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Now we need to solve it. A is 2, B is negative 2, C is negative 5. We use quadratic formula. Negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. That's going to be 2 plus minus 4 minus 4 times 2 times negative 5 over 2 times 2. So that's going to be 2 plus minus 44 over 4. So negative 1.16 and 2.16 is going to be the answer. So we have two answers. Next one is 3 over 3x minus 1 equals to 9 over 5x. Let's do cross multiplication. So we have 9 times 3x minus 1 equals to 3 times 15x. That's going to be 27x minus 9 equals to 45 times 5 times is going to be 50. So 27x minus 15x equals to 9. So that's going to be 12x equals to 9. So x is going to be 9 over 12, which is going to be 3 over 4 or even 0.75. Whatever is easier for you to write. Next one. Next one, it says x minus 2 over x plus 2 equals to 3. Now, we have basically, you can do cross multiplication. 3 times x plus 2 equals to x minus 2, which is going to be 3x plus 6 equals to x minus 2. So 3x minus x equals to negative 6, negative 2. 2x equals to negative 8, so x is going to be negative 4. That's going to be the answer. Let me solve it in another way. We have x squared over x plus 2 equals to 3. I'm going to show you second, number 2. X minus 2 over x plus 2 minus 3 equals to 0. So we have x plus 2, x minus 2 minus 3 times x plus 2 equals to 0. So we have x minus 2 minus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. So we have negative 2x minus 8 equals to 0. So negative 2x equals to 8. So x equals to negative 4. So you get the same answer. Next example, x minus 2 over x equals to x plus 2 over x plus 4. Let's cross multiply. X times x plus 2 equals to x minus 2 times x plus 4. So it's x squared plus 2x. X squared plus 4x minus 2x minus 8. X squared cancels out. It's going to be 4x minus 2x minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. 4x minus 2x minus 2x is going to be 0. Negative 8 equals to 0. This is not possible. Next example, x minus 1 over x equals to x plus 1 over x plus 3. So we cross multiply. It's going to be x minus 1 times x plus 3 equals to x times x plus 1. So I have x squared plus 3x minus x minus 3 equals to x squared plus x. X squared cancels out. 2x minus 3 equals to x. So 2x minus x equals to 3. So x equals to 3. Now using the second approach. X minus 1 over x equals to x plus 1 over x plus 3. So you have x minus 1 over x minus x plus 1 over x plus 3 equals to 0. Then you do common denominator. X minus 1 times x plus 3 minus x times x plus 1 equals to 0. Then you have x squared plus 3x minus x minus 3 minus x squared plus x over x times x plus 3 equals to 0. There you have x squared 2x minus 3 minus x squared minus x over x times x plus 3 equals to 0. This cancels out. We have x minus 3 over x times x plus 3 equals to 0. So the answer is going to be x equals to 3. Next example is 2 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 2 equals to 3. So then we can say, since we have the same denominator, x plus 2, keep it like that, 2 plus 1 is going to be 3 equals to 3, or 3 over 1. It means that x plus 2 has to be 1 because the numerators are equal. So the denominators has to be equal because we have equality. So x is going to be 1 minus 2. Therefore, x equals to negative 1. Next example. 2 over x plus 5 over 2 equals to 9 over x. This example, I'm going to say 2 over x minus 9 over x equals to negative 5 over 2. So it's going to be x negative 7 over negative 5 over 2. So 5x equals to 14. X equals to 14 over 5, or 2.8. Next example. 3x over x minus 2 equals to 1 minus 5 over x minus 2. So we move this to the other side because they have the same denominator. So it's going to be 3x x minus 2 plus 5 over x minus 2 equals to 1. So we have x minus 2, 3x plus 5 equals to 1. Since the ratio equals to 1, it means the numerator and denominators are equal. Therefore, 3x minus x equals to negative 5, negative 2. So 2x equals to negative 7. So x equals to negative 7 over 2, or negative 3.5. Next example. 3x over 3x plus 2 equals to 5 over 3 minus x. Cross multiplication. 5 times 3x plus 2 equals to 3x times 3 minus x. So 15x plus 10 equals to 9x minus 3x squared. Therefore, 3x squared and 6x plus 10 equals to 0. Now I need to do quadratic formula. 3, 6, and 10. Since b squared minus 4ac is going to be less than 0. Why? Because a is 3, b is 6, and c is 10. b squared minus 4ac is going to be 36 minus 4 times 3 times 10, which is going to be 36 minus 120. That's going to be negative 84. Since it's less than 0, there is no real answer. Next one. Negative 3 over x minus 2 equals to x minus 6 over x plus 1. Cross multiplication. Negative 3 times x plus 1 equals to x minus 2 times x minus 6. So negative 3x minus 3, x squared minus 6x minus 2x plus 12. So you have x squared minus 8x plus 12 plus 3x plus 3 equals to 0. So x squared minus 5x plus 15 equals to 0. So now a is 1, b is negative 5, c is 15. So negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. 5 plus minus 25 minus 4 times 1 times 15 over 2 times 1 is going to be 2. So since it's going to be negative, there is no real answer. Next one is going to be 1 over x equals to 3 over x plus 1 over x minus 2. So in this case, I'm gonna move these two to the other side. So 1 over x minus 3 over x minus 1 equals to 1 over x minus 2. So that's gonna be negative 2 over x minus x over x, because I want to have the same denominator. Right hand side remains the same, so we have x, negative 2 negative x equals to 1 over x minus 2. Now we have cross multiplication, negative 2 minus x times x minus 2 equals to x. So we have negative 2x plus 4 negative x squared plus 2x equals to x. So we have negative x squared, these two cancel out, negative x plus 4 equals to 0. So a is negative 1, b is negative 1, c is 4. So we have negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So that's 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 times negative 1, 4, which is going to be, when you put in the calculator, negative 2.56 and 1.56 is going to be the two answers. Okay, let's have the last example. 2x plus 3 over x minus 6 equals to 5x minus 1 over 4x plus 7. Cross multiply 2x plus 3, 4x plus 7, 5x minus 1, x minus 6. So we have 8x squared plus 14x plus 12x plus 21 equals to 5x squared minus 30x minus x plus 6. Move everything to one side. 8x squared plus 26x plus 21 minus 5x squared. These two together is negative 31. When you move it to the other side, it's going to be positive 31. 6 is going to be negative 6 equals to 0. 8 minus 5, 3x squared. 26 plus 31 is going to be 57x. 21 minus 6 is going to be 15 equals to 0. Now, first of all, I can factor 3. It's going to be x squared plus 19x plus 5 equals to 0. Then, quadratic formula is going to give me two answers. One is negative 0.267. The other one is negative 18.733. So that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.